Hello, welcome to IGRC. Indian Georgian Representative Council IGRC Georgia was set up in 2019 to provide impetus to various philanthropic initiatives. The efforts of the group have already touched the lives of more than thousands of people overall. Here's our year in review.
The secret to change is to focus all our energy not on fighting old, but building the new. For last 1 year, we have been working towards our dream to enhance the quality of life of people from marginalized and vulnerable communities by empowering them and catalyzing change through innovation and sustainable solutions.
This global crisis forced us to be creative, and IGRC stopped thinking in terms of possible and impossible. We just knew that it's necessary to do this, and that's it. We've been actively participating in different activities with all precautions taken. Our major contribution has been towards food, education, and medical service providers. We at IGRC are like a big family.
Our work last year we started with the distribution of face masks and hand sanitizer to the Indian student and local people. Our IGRC team was and is still actively working for it while most of the people was afraid for help to help the people. But we helped more than 8,000 families during the pandemic, and we would love to work for the common interest for the people.
Studying in foreign countries can be challenging sometimes for many reasons. First, they are living in a different country, far away from different laws. The life is completely different and the legal procedures as well. And on the top of that, we don't have any family and friend support. So IGRC has been the legal and financial pillars for students to feel safe abroad. We also provided free groceries for Indian students and every month free intercity transportation of food products.
Along with this, our IGRC team has also been the bridge between university and students. We believe in building the bonds of friendship and goodness through mutual respect. We also organized fun cultural events to unite students.
The pandemic is affecting people in different ways. The stress of facing the pandemic as an international student is compounded by being far away from one's home country and family. To support students, IGRC assisted flights to go back to India and also helped students to fly back when the conditions were better. And the cherry on top is scholarship that we are immensely delighted to conduct.
However, this is not it. IGRC initiatives have continued to evolve while remaining responsive to the ever-changing needs of the society. The organization is currently focusing on creating change in areas of rural transformation, health, education and sports, arts, culture and heritage, and urban renewal.
That's why we have compiled a list of activities that we are planning to execute in the upcoming future.
4 cultural events.
Scholarship,
Sports Day.
Developing applications.
For various study material and crash courses.
Internship in Georgia.
Student exchange.
So that was our year at a glance. We have tried reaching as many people as possible and tried helping them. And I hope we succeed in our future projects as well. Thank you for supporting IGRC, and IGRC will always have your back. Thank you, stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye.